Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do another example. And so in this example, we've got a climbing wall. And so let's say this represents the climbing wall, and we've got two different, what they call guy lines. And the guy lines are to give support to the wall. Okay. So we have these two guy wires. So we've got one guy wire at 47 feet. We got another guy wire at 40 feet above the ground level. And both guy wires are attached to the ground 50 feet from the wall. So now you can notice that they make two triangles, right? One right triangle has an angle of beta, and the other triangle has an angle, right here. This angle here has an angle that is beta minus alpha. So we could actually label that. Let's label that, this one here, we'll call this beta minus alpha, okay? So now let's put down what we know from the picture, okay? And what trig functions can we use? Now, since for both of these triangles we know the adjacent angle, or excuse me, the adjacent side and the opposite side, then the trig function we're going to want to use is tangent. So if we write the tangent for both of these, so we get tangent of beta. So tangent of beta, which is the bigger triangle, is going to be opposite over adjacent, which is 47 over 50. Okay, so we got that. And then tangent of the smaller triangle, which is beta minus alpha, that's equal to 40 over 50, or 4/5. Okay? Now we can use the identity for this one. So we could use the tangent formula. So this is going to be tangent, this is going to be equal to tangent beta. Yes, tangent beta plus tangent alpha divided by 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. Okay, so now, oh, wait a minute, I got these backwards. Minus plus. Okay, so now all we have to do is plug in everything that we need. Now we're trying to find alpha. Okay, so I don't know if I said that, but what they want us to do is they want us to find the angle alpha. Well, we have alpha here, okay, but we know beta. We know tangent beta is this. We've also got tangent alpha here. We got tangent beta there. Okay. So, and this is equal to 4/5. Okay, so we know this has to be equal to 4/5. Okay, so we're going to plug in what we know, and then we'll see if we can then solve for alpha. So we'll have to use some algebraic manipulation here. Okay, so let's plug everything in. So 4/5 equals tangent beta, which is 47 50ths, minus, oops, tangent alpha, all divided by 1 plus 47 50ths, tangent alpha. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator here. So I'm going to get 4, and I'm going to multiply both sides by 5 here. So I'm going to get 4 times 1 plus, 47/50 tangent alpha is equal to 5 times 47/50 minus tangent alpha. Okay, so now I'm going to distribute, so I get 4 plus, so this will give me 188/50 tangent alpha, and this is going to give me 47/10 minus 5 tangent theta. Okay, and so now I'm just going to simplify this. Okay, and so let's go over here. So now what I'm going to get is, now I'm going to add this to both sides and subtract 4. So I'm going to move everything around here. So now it's going to become 188/50 tangent alpha, and I'm going to change this to 50. So this will be 235/50. So this will be plus, oh, hold on. That's not what I want to do. Plus 5 tangent alpha equals, now this is going to be 47/10 minus 4. So what I did was, again, I added 5 times tangent alpha to both sides, and that gives me this, and I subtracted 4 from both sides, which gives me this. Okay, and so now if I add this, I get, so this gives me what? 250/50. So I get 188 plus 250/50 tangent alpha equals, and this will be, well, this is going to be 47 minus 40/10. Okay. Okay, and so this is going to end up being what? 438/50, right? Tangent alpha equals 7/10. And now I'm just going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal. And that's going to give me tangent alpha equals 7/10 times 50/438. Okay, and so this is going to cancel with this. This is going to give me 5, so this gives me 35 over 438. Okay, so now what does that give me? Let me just double check. So 35 Okay, good. Okay, so now since I've got tangent alpha, so let's go back up here. So now what I've done is I found out that tangent alpha is equal to 35 over 438 exactly. So now guess what? Alpha equals the inverse tangent of 35 over 438. And when you put that in your calculator, you get approximately, let's see here. Now in radians, you're going to get, because we're dealing with inverse, so it's going to be, in radians it's 0.079741, which then if you convert to degrees by multiplying by 180 over pi, you get 4.57 degrees. And that's the answer. Not bad. Have a great day.